Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a Looxi beauty or Looxi eyeshadow look today. The other stuff on my face is not from Looxi, just the eyeshadows. So yeah, I picked out some little Looxi shadows recently. Most of these I got for like $2.50, y'all. $2.50. I'm not even kidding. And they're freaking amazing. I love them. Anyway, so if you want to know how I got this purpley copper eye, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go into is called Cuddle. It's like a taupey shade, taupey-ish brown. And that one's just going to go all in the crease and lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to go into the shadow called Raisin Hell, which is this really pretty purple. And I'm going to be putting that on the inner and outer part of the lid and the inner and outer part of the lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend it. Okay. There's like one spot right here that's looks wonky. It's annoying me. Okay, now that it's good, I'm going to go into a wax type base and put that on the center of my lid and the center of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into the shadow called Copper Popper. Such a pretty shadow. I'm just going to use my finger to place it. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that purple shade and just kind of blend the edges out of that. Alright, now I'm going to go into the shade called Glazed and Confused. It's like a white with like a green shift. Well, it's not really white. It's got like a green and pink shift. That one's going on the inner corner, if you couldn't already see. Alright, since I do not have any brow bone colors from Looxi yet, I'm going to use Notoriously Morbid So Goes My Nation, which, as you all should know by now, is my go-to brow bone color. Alright, pretty much all that's left is mascara and waterline. So I'm just using Perversion. And then I will probably use, well, I'm going to use this one, Stash, from Urban Decay. It's like a dark, well, not really dark green, it's like a, honestly, like an olive. So yeah, I guess it is kind of dark. Alright, now I'm going to do my foundation off camera and come back for the rest. Okay, so for contour, I'm using Notoriously Morbid's Chamber Contour. And then for blush, I'm using Glamour Delights' Blushing Belle blush. I think it was in one of the months. I think. I'm pretty sure. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm using MAC's Soft Frost Extra Dimension Skin Finish. Super, super gorge. Okay, then I'm gonna blend around the edges of that. And then I've chosen for lips. I'm using Notoriously Morbid's Mystic Matte in We Belong Dead, which was a VC Mystic. Okay, and that is the finished look. I love how you can see the highlights. That's pretty much it for this little Looxi tutorial. Well, I guess kind of Looxi. There's other things. But anyways, it's mostly Looxi. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon.